Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are coming across an issue with the Microsoft Store on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices where it says that the Microsoft Store is stuck trying to acquire a license when you are trying to download and install updates in Microsoft Store for Microsoft apps. Let's fix it, guys. First thing I recommend doing, make sure your date and time are correct in the system tray, guys. If it is not correct, you just need to right click on it and select adjust date and time. Select this set time zone automatically and set time automatically. Make sure this both turn it on, and after that sync now, click on it. And after doing this, time and date will be changed to current date and time. And I just need to scroll down, click on the language and religion, and in here you just need religion format. Click on this drop down and click on change format. If the format is wrong, you just need to click on change format and change it, guys. Short time and long time, set this to AM, guys, includes the AM, and long time includes the AM with the time seconds, guys. After changing it, you just need to close it off here. Now you just need to go to search menu and type WSRESET. Click on open it, run command. Please wait until this done. At this point, hopefully your problem will be resolved, guys. That's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.